Peace. $1.50. 2G what it is. You already know. Sponsored by Pepsi at the local laundromat. You know what I mean? Peace. Yo, I just said I vlog something at this local laundromat. You know what I'm saying? Laundromat is like, you know, it's down the street from where I am, but I'm in the process of relocating. I'm not going to be in this locality much longer. I'm just familiarizing myself with the vlog capabilities of the Nikon D5600 because I usually have the vlog set up for just being in one place. So it's really just set up where I'm just vlogging and out and about, like a laundromat, you know what I mean, wherever, you know what I mean? So, this is the laundromat, these are the machines. These are the machines. I never used them before. I just thought I'd familiarize myself with the laundromat because, I never really been here before. I've been here a couple of times, but I never really washed clothes here. But I may come here and wash clothes because it seemed like a fairly clean place. It's early in the morning. It's like, what time is it? It's about it's 7:39. So it's 7:39 a.m. Sunday, and what I did was I took a walk. You know what I'm saying? The store's not open yet. It opens at 8 o'clock. So I took a walk, and I may come to the laundromat later on the day, cause I've been looking for a laundromat to wash my clothes. Cause the laundromat where I am is so congested with different people, like people from different countries, and I just don't. I'm not comfortable all the time washing my clothes with all these different people I don't know. So just being flexible with washing your clothes. You know what I'm saying? You don't know who you're around all the time, so washing your clothes somewhere different is always real. So just to give you an idea where I am, that's the store across the street. That's Lidl's. Lidl's across the street, and yeah, I'm just waiting for the store to open actually, but I may come here. I haven't been here since I've been in this vicinity. This is the soap, bleach, softeners, Tide, Bounce, Clorox. Not a bad laundromat. Pretty clean, respectable. Nobody's here right now, but I probably will be here sometime soon. At least to wash my jacket. If I was thinking about getting it dry clean because it's a particular type of jacket. I don't want the zippers breaking and stuff like that. And yeah, just vlogging, kind of familiarizing myself with the Nikon. The Nikon has been under intense scrutiny. You know what I'm saying? With everybody's been wondering what the Nikon can really do. Well, the Nikon is I can do a vlog with the Nikon. You know what I mean? I never really pursued the vlog based on being out and about, but a laundromat. I'm about to wash clothes and things like that, but I'm not sure. I've been washing clothes manually, until I get to a laundromat. And having transportation is always a factor because you need to have transportation for the pile of clothes in your car. Yeah. So not a bad laundromat. Not a bad laundromat. Pretty clean, respectable. When you wash clothes somewhere, your drawers, your shirts, your pants, you want to be somewhere clean. You know what I mean? So this is a clean laundromat. It's quiet. They have televisions, things like that, and you always want to be somewhere, suitable. Where I am is suitable, but they don't have TV and things like that. It doesn't have coin machines, where you can get change. You have to get your own change. So, I wouldn't want to have to come here to get change and then go to the laundromat somewhere else. So, I try and make sense where it makes sense. And this is a Dexter dryer, Dexter. Pretty impressive. First impressions, the vlog and the laundromat and be able to identify with, and if I want to get something to drink right now, I can get something to drink. Water, Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Diet Pepsi, Mist, Dr. Pepper, Crush, and Brisk, you know. And the price isn't too high, $2.25. The price isn't too high. Yeah. So I just wanted to familiarize myself with the vlog capabilities of the Nikon. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. So click on the link. Donate. Donate if you support my vlog. Peace. $1.50.